Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss Shopify integration with Logic ERP software. To begin with the integration, you must log in into your Shopify account. To begin with the process, we will first install the app. So click on Apps. Then click on App and Sales Channel Settings. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Logic ERP integration. Once the app appears in the results, click on it to view the features of the Logic ERP integration, then click the Install button. After successful installation, a window will appear displaying the available annual subscription plans along with the add-on plans for the ERP integration. Click on the Subscribe button to purchase the selected plan. Then, click Approve to confirm the subscription approval and payment. Once the payment is successfully completed, the credits will be added to your account. This is the app dashboard, from where you can configure settings and manage your products and orders. After installation, you will see a message on the dashboard prompting you to configure the ERP settings to start using the Logic ERP integration. You can either open the configuration from the menu or click on Configure Logic ERP to proceed. To begin with the configuration settings, you first need to obtain the API URL, username, and password from the Logic ERP team and define it here. Next, go to the Product Sync configuration setup and enable Product Auto Sync. This will allow products to be automatically imported from Logic ERP to Shopify. Choose the Product Auto Sync frequency from the drop-down to define how often products should be synced from Logic ERP to Shopify. Next, enable Inventory Auto Sync. Once activated, this will automatically synchronize stock levels from Logic ERP to Shopify. Also, select the Inventory Sync interval from the drop-down to specify how frequently product inventory should be synced from Logic ERP. In the Stock Location section, define Shop Location and under Auto Publish to Sales Channel, enable the Online Store option. Moving on to Order Sync configuration, you can define how orders are synced from Shopify to Logic ERP. Enable the Order Auto Sync option and ensure that you correctly define the branch code, branch name, order prefix, and order party user code. Do not forget to save the settings. Once the configuration setup is complete, proceed to product mapping. Here, you will map Shopify fields with Logic ERP fields so that when products are synced, the data is automatically stored in the correct fields. All required fields are already available by default. However, if you want to define any additional fields, you can click on Add New Field Mapping to configure them. Next, go to Manage Products, where you will see a list of products that are already mapped and uploaded. After that, navigate to Order Mapping. In this section, you will find all order-related fields, where Shopify fields need to be mapped with Logic ERP fields so that when orders are synced, the data is automatically fetched to the correct fields. To define additional fields apart from those already listed, you can click on Add New Field Mapping. Then, under Manage Orders, you can find the list of all synced orders along with their status. Here, you can view details such as the customer name, order number, order date, and sync status. All orders placed on Shopify can be viewed in Logic ERP after they are successfully synced. You can verify these orders by opening the Sales Order window in Logic ERP.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.